How to sort a data frame in Python pandas by 2 or more columns? Suppose I have a data frame with columns A, B, and C. I want to sort the data frame by column B in ascending order, and by column C in descending order. How do I do this?
As of the 0.17.0 release, the sort method was deprecated in favor of sort_values. Sort was completely removed in the 0.20.0 release. The arguments and results remain the same. You can use the ascending argument of sort. For example, as commented by @Renadine, sort isn't in place by default. So you should assign result of the sort method to a variable or add in place equals true to method call. That is if you want to reuse df1 as a sorted data frame. Or
as of pandas 0.17.0, dataframe.sort is deprecated and set to be removed in a future version of pandas. The way to sort a data frame by its values is dataframe.sort_values. As such, the answer to your question would now be For large data frames of numeric data, you may see a significant performance improvement via numpy.lexsort, which performs an indirect sort using a sequence of keys. One peculiarity is that the defined sorting order with numpy.lexsort is reversed. B, A, sorts by series of first. We negate series B to reflect we want this series in descending order. Be aware that np.lexsort only sorts with numeric values, while pd.dataframe.sort_values works with either string or numeric values. Using np.lexsort with strings will give type error column bad operand type for unary, column str.